Magandang araw sa inyong lahat, mga ka-KJ. This is Ken and this is Earning with Ken and Jhen. So, ang topic natin para sa ngayon na to is Lesson 7, Accounting Cycle, Documentation, and Journal. So, ito po ay isang introduction sa ating Accounting Cycle series. So, let's start. Ano nga ba ang documentation and journal? What is the learning objectives? To know what is the accounting cycle, to know what is documentation, know the process of documentation, and to know what is journal entries. So, accounting cycle, it is a series of steps taken in gathering, processing, and summarizing data so as to produce meaningful information which are communicated to statement users by way of financial report. So, ibig sabihin ito po ay isang series of steps. Ibig sabihin may sinusunod na mga hakbang para siya ay makumpleto. So, ano ito? Gathering, processing, and summarizing data into meaningful information and communicated to users by financial report. So, ang gathering po is yung pag-compile ng mga source documents, gaya ng vouchers, um, checks, and invoices. Processing naman is yung pag-process ng pag-record or ng mga transactions sa journal entry at pag-post nito sa ledger. Ang summarizing naman is yung um, paggawa ng mga financial statements para ito ay ma-communicate sa ating users ng financial report. So, ang meaningful information naman is yung mga data na kayang basahin ng mga on business in the business or mga tao nasa field ng business or ng mga taong financial literate. Okay, sige. So, documentation. Step 1. Ito ano mga steps sa pag-documentation? Documentation to gather transactions and events by way of source documents. It is not done by accountant, done by those in operations. So, example, official receipts, checks, vouchers, invoices, cash registers, tapes. The one in the cashier, yung parang resibo po baga, yung nilalagyan ng mga data ng mga binili natin. So, una-una sa lahat, ito ay ang documentation daw ay hindi ginagawa ng mga accountant. So, bakit naman daw po ito? Ito ay dahil ang mga accountants ay gumagawa lang naman po ng mga financial statements or ng mga transactions. Hindi sila yung nag-gather ng mga financial documents. So, ang mga gumagawa nito is yung mga done by those in the operation, yung mga yung mga yung kung nasa business tayo, yung mga staff natin, or kung nasa mall tayo, yung mga cashier, yung mga ano pa ba, yun, basta yun po, yung mga nasa operation, hindi yung nasa office o yung mga nasa internal section ng business. So, okay. Journal entries naman, ano naman ang mga steps sa journal entries? Journal entries is a chronological order of the entity's transactions. It shows all the effects of a business transaction in terms of debits and credits. Each transaction is initially recorded in a journal, which is called a book of original entry, rather than directly in the ledger. So, general journal, it is the simplest journal, format, date, description, process reference, debit, and credit. So, ang journal entries daw is ang chronological record. Ibig sabihin, pasunod-sunod siya as of the date. So, it shows all the effects of business transaction in terms of debits and credits. Each transaction is initially recorded in a journal, which is called the book of original entry, rather than directly in the ledger. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga pag-record ng mga effects ng business transactions. Tapos, ito daw po yung book of original entry. Ibig sabihin, ito yung pinakaunang pinagdadaanan ng mga uh, transactions natin or yung mga documents natin para ito ay magawa ng um, financial statements or financial reports. So, general ledger journal is the simplest journal. So, ito yung pinakasimpleng journal kasi ito yung pinaka not complicated sa lahat ng mga journals. Kasi yung iba sales journal, yung iba cost disbursement journal, yung iba receipts journal, yung iba naman ay ito, yung simplest journal. So yun. So date, description, P, post reference, and debit and credit. So ano nga ba ang date? Ito yung kung anong date ng transaction. Description is yung um, ano tawag doon? Yung account titles at yung description kung anong transaction ba yon. Post reference is yung kung saan nakalagay ito sa ledger ay kung ano ang mga account numbers ng mga accounts. Debits, yung mga nasa debit, and credit is yung mga nasa credit. Debit is yung value received, credit is yung value parted with. So, ibig din silang left and debit, right and credit. So, yung debit is yung mga ang normal balance nito ay expenses and assets. Tapos, ang credit naman liabilities, um, income, and capital. So, best steps to prepare general journal entries. Ay! Okay. Best steps to prepare journal entries. Example, a transaction and effect. Examples, bought supplies on account 20,000 in January 2023. So, asset is equal to liabilities plus equity, FX, plus the asset plus liabilities plus or no effects equity. So, yun, parang i-analyze mo kung saan siya mag-apekto. So, step 2 naman, rules of debit and credit. Rules of debit and credit, yung tinalakay natin yung last time na sa ating segment na accounting. So, ito yung mga rules kung saan ba ang normal entry ng assets, liabilities, equity, capital at saka income tsaka expenses. Yun po. So, journal entry preparation. Example po nito. Ulit po. Kunwari nga, bought supplies on account, 20,000 on January 1, 2023. So, ano ang nangyari dito? Ibig sabihin, may bought supplies. Ibig sabihin, nagdagdag siya ng asset at may nabawas na isang bagay. Ano ba ang nabawas sa atin? Since ito ay on account, ibig sabihin ito ay on credit. So, accounts payable. So, hindi pa siya bayad. So, magkakaroon tayo ng obligation. So, madadagdagan yung obligation, madadagdagan yung asset. So, yung asset, January 2023 po ito ha. January 1. At supplies is 20,000. Accounts payable is 20,000. So, debit yung asset kasi nagdagdag yung asset. At credit yung accounts payable or liability kasi ito ay nagdagdag ng liability dahil sa pagkautang. So, to bought purchase of supplies on account. Ito naman, post reference naman. Ito yung kung ano ang pangilan siya sa chart of accounts. So, or sa chart of accounts. At ito naman, basta yung post reference po ng dalawang ito, kung pangilan siya sa chart of accounts or kung ano ang number niya sa chart of accounts. So, dun sila nagbabase. That's it. Ito po si Ken. This is Earning with Ken and Jhen. So, ang reference po natin is Serwin Accounting Lectures, Lecture 1, Documentation, Accounting Cycle, Fundamentals of Accounting, November 12, 2020. At ito ang kanyang YouTube link. So, salamat po sa pagkikinig niyo sa akin sa lesson na ito. Sana po may natutunan kayo kahit konti. At kung gusto niyo pa magkaroon or ma-notify kung kailan kami mag-update ng aming mga videos. Sana po ay maki-like po itong video na ito, subscribe, and ring the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo sa mga bagong updates sa mga bagong videos. That's it. It's the Ken, this is Earning with Ken and Jhen. Earn with us, even in pajamas. Bye and have a good day.